Guys, in today's video you'll be checking out some of the best Halloween decorations available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 6 we have Blulu 3 Happy Halloween Table Decorations. It is suitable as cute table centerpieces for Halloween party. Or put the Halloween table decorations on the office desk counter. Or send them to friend's daughter and son as a pumpkin gift. They are made of wood, durable wooden base to fix the Halloween table topper. This pumpkin letter sign comes with Halloween candy cane which is pot table centerpieces. At number 5 we have HOOJO Halloween Decorations. This pumpkin comes with witch's cat inflatable as ideal Halloween blow-up yard decorations. The Halloween inflatables will light up your yard and welcome your lovely neighbors. It is perfect decoration for Halloween events such as trick-or-treat or Halloween-themed party. You can entertain your guests and family with this fun pumpkin with witch's cat inflatable. At number 4 we have Latoy Halloween Decorations. This Halloween banners are the perfect way to decorate the door, porch, entryway of your home. Or any other Halloween party decorations. Its bright color and cute design which fill your home with a thick Halloween atmosphere. That makes your home the most eye-catching in street. This Halloween decorations made of 600D Oxford material. At number 3 we have Eldnacele Halloween Decorations. You can simply use on-off timer slide switch on the bottom, friendly to kids and seniors. When in timer mode it will light on for 6 hours and off for 18 hours cycle every day. You can just place them on the tables or fireplaces, they will be an eye-catching centerpiece. You can enjoy all the benefits of traditional candles and none of the negatives. At number 2 we have HOOJO Halloween Decorations. This 14 FD wide pumpkins and ghost inflatable is ideal and eye-catching Halloween blow-up yard decorations. The Halloween inflatables will light up your yard and welcome your lovely neighbors. It gives great fun for all ages while the Halloween events trick or treat. It looks animated in the nighttime which can even attract the cars to slow down. At number 1 we have panapo Halloween Decorations. Each RGB floating light with a remote controller. There are 16 colors and 4 models. This color changing and brightness adjustment are available. The LED light balls can be hanging in trees or place on lawn. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comment box below as this video helps you to find the best Halloween decorations for your need.